These ceramic glove molds are soaked and cleaned one by one in soapy water, then transported to a bleach bath to remove each spot. This is a factory that makes medical rubber gloves. The molds need to be thoroughly cleaned before they are made, and any impurities left behind could cause the gloves to break. After censored and cleaned molds, machines feed them into the round brush machine, and through the high-speed brushes, clean the gaps and dead corners of the molds again, and finally go through the hot water disinfection at the same time to remove all the cleaning solution. At this point, the cleaned glove molds are sent on a conveyor belt to air dry, shaking off any residual moisture on the molds by rotating them, followed by solidification for the models. Because the latex cannot directly stick to the ceramic seat of the glove mold, need to let it first coated with a special chemical solvent, the formation of a film, and then covered with white latex liquid glove mold through 360 degrees of non-stop rotation to shake off the excess congregation, and then be sent to the air box. After vulcanization and shaping, the rubber becomes both firm and elastic. Then the dried rubber is rolled while the cuff is turned up by the machine. This makes it easier for workers on the assembly line to easily remove the gloves from the molds. Natural latex gloves, on the other hand, are removed from the mold with light pressure and a gentle blow. Of course, the finished rubber gloves also need to be sampled for quality inspection. Quality inspectors will use the methods of inflating and pulling and injecting water to observe the gloves respectively to detect whether there are holes and water leakage.
So today, we are making a new step, next step forward towards the upstream of the value chain by adding formal production capabilities to our group. So this allows us to offer a more comprehensive suite of solutions to our customers, locally and abroad, as well as to enhance our operational synergies, as well as the value creation across the board. So we are especially excited about the opportunity to welcome Formtech's team to our Flexidynamic family. We value your expertise, your commitment, as well as this relationship that you have built with your customers, suppliers, and together I believe that we can grow even stronger and reach new heights. So as we look towards the future, we are also mindful of the broader industry developments, the recent uncertainty in global politics, global trade politics, particularly the increase in tariff. These are all changing the dynamics of the industry. So this presents a timely opportunity for both Flexidynamic as well as Formtech to serve a global base of glove manufacturers abroad as well as locally. They are seeking to modernize their operations. So in tandem with this upstream integration, we are also progressing with our upstream integration through our subsidiary KUALA. So KUALA will provide the gamma radiation services, especially for the surgical gloves as well as specialty gloves. So these complementary moves reinforces our long-term commitment to innovation, to diversification, as well as integrated growth within the glove industry. So on behalf of the board and the management of Flexidynamic, I would like to express my appreciation to HARPS Investment Asia, as well as the shareholders for the trust and the cooperation extended to us. So we look forward to working closely with everyone here to complete this transaction in the coming months. So thank you for all your continued support, and we hope that we can embark on this chapter together.
Thank you so much, Mr.
Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, partners, colleagues, good afternoon, everyone. It is a true privilege here today representing HARPS Investment Asia, a subsidiary of HARPS Global Private Limited, as we embark on a significant journey in the strategic evolution of one of our group as well as that of Formtech Engineering in Negeri Sembilan, Berhad. Today's signing of the share sale agreement with Flexidynamic Holdings Berhad marks not just the beginning of the proposed acquisition, but the dawn of a new chapter that holds immense potential for all involved. At HARPS, we believe in long-term value creation. We are not merely financial investors, we are builders of businesses. Since the acquisition at Formtech, we have had the honor of collaborating with the exceptional team here. Aaron first-hand seen the commitments to quality, precision and reliability which has made Formtech a reputable and trusted name across the glove manufacturing value chain. Formtech, sharing our commitment to investing in technology, nurturing talent and fostering customer trust, has emerged as a brand associated with quality, consistency and innovation, a critical supplier to some of the region's most important glove producers today. For HARPS, these proposed divestments reflects a natural evolution of our group strategy. As we continue to focus on downstream integration, moving closer to serve our customers, it is timely for Formtech to embark on its next growth phase with a partner whose core business is better aligned with the future potential. When we first engaged with Flexidynamic, we recognized not just a buyer, but a strategic partner who comprehends the intricacies of the glove industry. More importantly, we found a partner who shares our vision for industrial integration and resilience. Flexidynamic has achieved its success not solely through scale, but through an unwavering commitment to engineering precision, customer intimacy, and sustainable value creation. This proposed acquisition is, in our view, a natural fit. It paves the way for a stronger, more integrated value chain, where former manufacturing aligns seamlessly with downstream engineering and system delivery. This is particularly timely as the glove industry braces itself for a new wave of modernization prompted by recent shift in global trade dynamics and cost structures. We are confident that the culture and people at Formtech will find a nurturing and supportive home within Flexidynamic Group. The shared values of technical excellence, customer focus, and integrity will serve as the bedrock of our future growth and collaboration. Of course, I would like to extend heartfelt gratitude to Mr. Ben Sin and the leadership team at Flexidynamic for your trust and professionalism throughout this journey. To the Formtech team, especially Mr. Detmar Trump and Mr. Paul Bhagavan, you have built something remarkable, and we take immense pride in your journey thus far. We eagerly anticipate the unfolding of your next chapter, now bolstered by the strength and scale of Flexidynamic. On behalf of HARPS, I want to express our unwavering support for this transition. Together, let us work diligently in the coming months to ensure a smooth and thoughtful completion of this deal. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Monica, for your remarks.
Distinguished guests, esteemed partner, friends and colleagues, good afternoon, first of all. Today is a moment of significance for all people in Formtech, because we are gathering here today for witnessing the signing of the share sale agreement between Flexidynamic Holdings Berhad and the shareholders of Formtech Engineering Berhad. I speak on behalf of all of the Formtech family when I'm saying we are very excited, we are very proud, and we are really looking in a very optimistic in the near future. Formtech was founded in 2010 with the goal to supply reliable and high quality formers under the most and best efficiency way to do it, which helps our glove manufacturer to perform better. We started only with one line in this facility here in Nilai and with a very small team. We are always driven by innovation. The one who will join the tour will see that outside very clear, and we believe that every product we are shipping out has something special to do, and that is to support the global healthcare supply chain. Today, Formtech's products, including our energy-saving and as well our specific coated formers are used by the leading companies, the leading manufacturer here in Malaysia, but not only Malaysia, it's almost around the world where our product is being used. We have continued to invest in new technologies, as well as improved materials and properties in the best possible way to save energy for the examination and surgical products we are supplying. We are maintaining and improving our commitment to customer responsiveness and consistent quality. As we move forward with this acquisition by Flexidynamic, we see not a loss in identity in this movement. We actually see a new beginning, a new start. Flexidynamic, with its long presence in the glove engineering space, including their strengths in system design and mechanical integration, as well as project delivery, will perfectly complement to what we do in the upstream component manufacturing. Together we can build a stronger and more integrated value chain, one that offers greater reliability, efficiency and innovation for our clients. To Ben and the Flexidynamic leadership, thank you for welcoming us in your team, in your family. As you know, many of our staffs have been with us since the early days, and they are the heartbeat of this company. Allow me here to express my thank you very much to all the Formtech team for the fantastic journey we had in the last years, even with all the ups and downs we have seen. I'm confident that under Flexidynamic leadership, we will continue to grow and contribute to a great future for both parties, for all of us. To the HARPS Investment Asia team, thank you for your support throughout our journey together, and you have helped us to be ready for the next level. To our customers, partners, and colleagues, thank you for trusting us over the last years and 7 years. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Issued share capital for a total purchase consideration of RM 8.4 million. This signing marks the beginning of a promising chapter of collaboration as well as innovation.
Please look at the camera. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Thank you so much, Ms. Veronica and Mr. Denmark and Mr. Paul for the acquisition of 2.1 million and 0.4 million ordinary shares in Formtech, representing 25.30% and 4.82% of the issued share capital. The total purchase consideration for the acquisition of 2.5 million shares, ordinary shares, is RM 2.0 million.
Yeah.
Dear guests, we shall now proceed to the factory visit. After that, we will